Hi, I'm Zara Nova, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay.
Hi, my friends. I'm Kabeauty, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. How is your day?
I'm going to be putting DZİNE AI. I'm going to be testing DZİNE AI, the new feature for lip sync, to see how it functions and how it's going to be in terms of actually creating our AI influencers or AI avatars. So the first thing I want you to do, we're going to be doing together. I want you to go to DZİNE AI. I'm going to leave a link so that you can try. And then on the dashboard, you can see we have here where you can start creating from the image. You can start creating a new project. We're going to be creating a new project. We click there. Okay, and then once you click there, you're going to be given this dashboard to actually select the ratio. For our video or maybe for our AI influencer, I want to make a short video, so I'm going to be taking this one, the same like short videos or maybe for TikTok, and then I apply. And then on your left hand side we have for upload assets, text to image, image to image, character, AI video, lip sync. This is the one that we are talking about, the new video feature, lip sync feature. It has just been released recently, and we want to test it to see how efficient, how can it do the work for us now. And also we have AI editor, face kit, enhance, and background. So we're going to be focusing here lip sync, and then the first step is actually to grab our prompt to have something. We want to start from the scratch, so I'm going to click here where it says text to image, and I'm going to insert my prompt. You can take, or maybe you can get this prompt from AI tools or maybe language models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Cloud. Any of them can do. So for today, we are creating a stunning young African woman with rich dark skin, high cheekbones, full lips, and captivating almond-shaped eyes. She has long, natural, fussy textured hair styled in a bold afro crown. Her look is modern, Afrocentric, blending traditional elegance with futuristic style. She exudes confidence, intelligence, and cultural pride. Think Afrofuturistic models meets digital fashion icon, photorealistic studio lighting, fashion forward pose. If you want, I'll leave the link, I'll leave the prompt in the description. And then we're gonna be choosing the style. We want to choose the style that's gonna produce her image or maybe her pose the way we want. So we have a lot of them that have been released, but for me, I'm gonna go for first. Let's see how Flux one gonna do. So we're gonna put our prompt here, and then we're gonna just generate. We leave everything like that, and then generate. And as you can see on your right hand side, it's gonna start generating for us. So let's give it a minute because it doesn't take a lot of time to generate. Okay, this is the this is the one that Flux has generated. She looks super funny, beautiful, but very funny in a way. I don't know. This one looks absolutely beautiful. As you can see, she has the afro hair. She's beautiful. Her skin is beautiful. Now I also want to test this one, the other one. This let me click here where it says general. This one, no style V2. It is one of my favorite, and then we're gonna click generate. Let's see how it's gonna come. But even though this one is super amazing, we're gonna download it for future use. We're gonna download this one as we waited for the other one. You can upscale if you want to. Okay, we're gonna keep it for future use. She looks beautiful. She's super stunning actually. Now we're gonna give it a few minutes to see. Let me remove this one to see this style, how it's gonna go, or maybe how it's gonna produce the results. So let's give it a minute. It is now, as you can see, there we have it normally. Oh my goodness, what is this? I don't want to show you what it has generated now. This one looks super stunning. We have also this one super stunning. We also have this one super stunning, but they are leaving their boobs too much outside. Can you see even this one? It is too much outside. We don't want that one. We want something. This one looks beautiful and also sexy, and yeah, we can work with this one. Or maybe let's try again to see. I don't want something that is too revealing. I just want her to be at least decent in terms of actually what she's doing. So let's let's try again. If we don't get the best results, we can still use the other one. Okay. And one thing about this style, I realized that it gives more light, or maybe it actually gives the AI avatars a lot of light in terms of actually lightening our skin or stuff like that. Okay, so you can see this one. We have this one. Yeah, these ones are good. In fact, we can use some of them to actually to create a face match. So let's say we want this one. This one looks professional. This one looks amazing. I'm gonna take this one, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the feature of lip sync here. Okay, this is, before we go there, this is an image. Let me show you the first method, lip sync this without turning it into video. So we're gonna click here and then pick a face image, upload a face video. You see here, you can still upload. Pick a voice. Okay, so this is the image that we have picked. Which one are we wanting? We say this one. Yeah, are we picking the no, not this one, not this one. The one we want to pick, it is this one, right? Let's pick that one. Where is she? Or maybe I think it is this one. Yeah, it is this one. And then pick a voice, generate. Let's pick a voice. You're gonna pick a voice. Let's click here where it says done. Okay, it's gonna give us, it's gonna bring her here, and then we're gonna pick a voice. This is from image to lip sync. Okay, and then enter character dialog. Okay, you can upload your own, or you can actually use the text button. We're gonna be using the text button, and you have 400 characters. Okay, what we can do also, we can actually get this script from, let's say we get from ChatGPT, just something simple. I'm gonna get it from ChatGPT, and I'm gonna say something like hi, DZİNE AI, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slate. Now I'm gonna change, say something, Sarah. Please, Sarah, if you're watching, I'm not saying you. Okay, and then we're gonna pick a voice here. You can turn this into the language that you want. We have the female one, because she's a female, we need a female one. We have the one for narrative story. We have this one. Let's listen to them.
Find a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure your spine is straight.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because the news coming.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social?
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe for the most decadent chocolate cake ever. Oh, also, Arabella sounds best on multilingual V2.
I think this one looks
Find a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure your spine is straight.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe for the most decadent chocolate cake ever. Oh, also, Arabella sounds...
we're gonna pick Arabella and then generate and play. Okay, we're gonna click generate and play here. As you can see, it is being...
Hi, I'm Zara Nova, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay.
Okay, that looks cool, and then we're gonna click here. Once you click, it's gonna take one credit from you, And actually, as a disclaimer, for this lip sync, you have to be on a pro version to generate this lip sync. So I highly recommend you to try, because you can use it for several things as a content creator. Okay, so let's give it a few minutes. It's gonna take, they say it's gonna take up to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to create. This is from lip sync from image to lip sync. Let's just wait. After a few minutes, 5 minutes, our video is ready. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Zara Nova, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. Hi, I'm Zara Nova, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. Hi, I'm Zara Nova, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay.
Wow, this looks super beautiful, even though it's not a video. So we're gonna download, we're gonna use it for later. Now I want to use the lip sync for video. Okay, so the thing we're gonna do is to turn her. Let me remove this one. We're gonna turn this into a video, and to do that we have this element AI video. Okay, we're gonna choose Clinch AI because it is just superior for prompt adherence, higher resolution, large motion than actually standard models. Okay, and also we have this one better. This one is free, I think so, but we're gonna be utilizing this one. Okay, now I'm clicking there, and then we're gonna be actually putting our prompt here. What do we want her to do? You still have a chance to use ChatGPT to create animation, or maybe if you don't want, you can do it by yourself. For me, because I don't have time to write, I'm gonna use that one, and then we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna generate here. Okay, so we're gonna click generate, and as you can see, it's starting to generate our video so that we can test the lip sync. We're gonna give it a few minutes to see. 5 minutes, our video is done. Let's watch it. Wow, this looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now as you can see, she's moving, she's even having hand movements, she's smiling, she's talking. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this one, and then we come to the new feature of AI. In the DZİNE AI, we're gonna lip sync the video. We're gonna let me remove this one. I'm gonna pick the video that we just made. I think I've uploaded it. Where is it? It is in the downloads, maybe in the videos. Did I download it? Let me cancel this one. Let me download this one. Yeah, you can do that, or maybe you can simply come here and lip sync. Okay, where the video has been generated. This is the video that we want. You can simply do that, lip sync here without even needing to upload. It's gonna come here directly to be uploaded. It's gonna upload here, as you can see, the first image video, that one. I'm quite sure I'm doing the right thing. And then we're gonna text to audio. We're gonna pick here text to audio. Let's see, this is the text we want. Maybe let's add something. Maybe, hi, I'm Zara Nova, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and technique. Something like, hi my friends, I'm Zara Nova. Or maybe let's call her maybe something like not Zara, actually something like maybe beauty. Okay, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. How is your day? So we're gonna pick a voice. Let's pick another one. We have a lot of them here. We want a female. Let's listen to this.
Hey everybody, this is Juniper. I think I would be a great choice for your podcast. I'm pretty laid back and pretty catchy.
Yes.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new trends, creativity, and pop culture.
Let's choose this one. I think I love that one. Okay. Or maybe you can generate and play the audio here just to see how it's gonna be.
Hi, my friends. I'm Kabeauty, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. How is your day?
Okay, that one looks actually fine, even though she looks artificial. If you want, you can still upload your own voice there. For us, we are not going to upload our voice. Should we upload, or maybe upload our voice? If you click here, you can upload, drag and drop your stuff there, but for the sake of the video, we don't want to do that. I'm gonna show you another time maybe to do that, and also to clone your voice. So we're gonna generate here. We're gonna give it a few minutes and it's gonna start to generate. Okay, remember, like I said guys, for you to use this feature for videos, to actually create videos and actually to lip sync, you have to be on a pro version. Okay, and when you are on a pro version, they normally give you at least 5 videos if you are on the 19 list. If you want more videos, you can still purchase here. Okay, for instance, 20 extra $10, 45 extra $20, and 120 extra video generation $50, which is amazing if you are investing in this. Okay, so let's give it a few minutes and it's gonna start generating. Now after 5 minutes our video is generated. Let's listen to it.
Hi, my friends. I'm Kabeauty, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. How is your day?
Wow, that's super beautiful. Let's see.
Hi, my friends. I'm Kabeauty, your AI bestie for beauty, fashion, and digital slay. How is your day?
Wow, that's so amazing. She speaks so fast, but I think that's super amazing. I'm gonna leave all these for you guys to see. Tell me in the comment section, are you loving this feature? How is it? Can you rate it out of 10? How much do you gonna give this new feature, lip sync in DZİNE AI? Until next time guys, if you're finding value in this video, you want to see more tutorials, especially when it comes to content creation using AI tools, let me know in the comment section and I'll be so glad to read some of your comments. Until next time, if you want to try these features for your own sake, video creation, content creation, and all that, I'll leave a link to DZİNE AI so that you can actually try it by yourself. Bye.